நாங்கள் அடுத்த கட்டத்துக்கு கொண்டு போகலான்ட்டு இருக்கோம். இவங்களாம் என்னோடய டீம்ஸு. எங்களுக்கு வந்து ஃபேஸ்புக்கில் இன்ஸ்டாவில் ஆல்ரெடி ஒரு 5000 ஃபாலோவர்ஸ் இருக்காங்க.
को रेफर करते हुए कॉकरोच जनता पार्टी है और इसका आज हम लोग ऑफिशियल फॉर्मेशन कर.
So what does Cockroach Janta Party need to do to become a registered political party? You see, if an association or a body wishes to register itself as a political party, it needs to apply to the Election Commission within 30 days of its formation. The foundation for registering political parties is laid under Section 29A of the RPA Act 1951. Under this, parties aiming for registration need to check 32 boxes of the checklist. For now, we will keep it short and skim through the basics. The application needs to have the name of the party and it cannot contain religion or caste. The party constitution needs to be clearly outlined with objectives that are in consonance with the Constitution of India. The membership of the party needs to be open to all adult Indian citizens and the organizational structure needs to be clearly defined with powers, decision-making processes, functions and office bearers. Moreover, the application needs to consist a copy containing signatures of at least 100 registered members who are registered as electors in the latest electoral roll. The application needs to also have details of party funds, the state in which its head office is located, and the official address. The applicant party must produce a no objection certificate from the owner of the premises where the party office is situated. This sums up the application process so far. Once submitted, the applicant must publish the proposed party name in 2 national daily newspapers and 2 local daily newspapers to invite objections if any. The public gets 30 days to raise concerns with the ECI. After that, the ECI reviews everything. The Commission's decision on registration is final. There's a catch too. If a registered party does not contest elections continuously for 6 years, it can be taken off the ECI's list of registered parties, which means CJP must consider standing for Lok Sabha 2029 to expedite their chances for Tamil Nadu state elections of 2031. Fun fact, India had over 50 parties at the time of independence and currently the number of registered parties exceeds 2,900. So do you see CJP becoming the next big party? Comment down below.